We would like to add -3 and 8. A nice way to do this is with a number line. Starting at 0, I will first of all go 3 to the left because I have a -3. At that point, I need to add 8, which will of course be to the right. So starting here at the -3, I will add 8, and I can see that I end up at a +5, and that's the answer to the problem. On the next exercise, I actually have 3 numbers to add, or actually there's a subtraction, and there is also addition. Remember that when you are dealing with addition and subtraction with signed numbers, a good idea is to change the subtractions into adding the opposite. So I start with my -4, and since I am subtracting 5, I'm going to change it to adding a -5, and then I've got +10. Remember, you only change the subtraction to adding the opposite. Now let's try a number line with this problem. So starting with 0, my first value is -4, so I will go back to the left a distance of 4, which puts me at a -4. Now I want to add a -5, which means I will be going back 5 more to the left, which makes me end up at a -9. Now I want to add 10, which means that I will be going to the right a distance of 10, and I have ended up at 1, which is the result of the problem. The next problem has 4 integers. I have adding and I have subtracting, so once more I'm going to change the subtraction into adding the opposite. So I will have 6 plus -5 plus -4 plus 3. Now we could go one at a time with this, but I think a more practical way to do it might be to take the 2 positive values first. That's 6 and 3. They add up to 9. Then I have 2 negative numbers, so once more let's draw a number line just to be sure that we understand about that. I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go 5 to the left because I've got a -5 here. And then I'm going to go 4 more. Okay, I went -5. I'm going to go 4 more to the left. I was at -5. Now I am at -9. So these 2 numbers here, the -5 and the -4, add up to a -9. And now I have to add 9 and -9. Once more, let's rely on the number line. Starting at 0, I will go up to 9 because it's a +9, and then I want to add a -9, which means that I go to the left 9. That puts me back at a value of 0.